Hello friends and welcome back to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this one basket meal. This is an air-fried shrimp with vegetable. Very easy to make and very healthy. I know you can't wait to learn this recipe, so keep on watching. And here's our main ingredients. Start off with this spring vegetable. These are frozen vegetable. This comes with asparagus and squash and all the good stuff. And also here's some jumbo shrimp. This is about half a pound. Skin off, tail off, all that good stuff. We're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And this is honey. I got this from Costco. It's a raw honey. And also onion powder. Then garlic powder. You could adjust the seasoning to your liking. Italian seasoning because I love the combination of the flavor. And garlic salt. We're also going to need some fresh garlic and some fresh ginger. I'm just going to shred that using this grater. So as the ginger, I'm going to use about like a teaspoon of it. So if you have a powdered ginger, maybe half a teaspoon because that's overpowering. So that's all you need, and just scrape it out. And then just simply mix this together until they're well incorporated or well combined, I should say. And then we're going to add, this is white wine vinegar. This is just a Walmart brand, about 2 tablespoons. So if you're doing 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, then you add 2 tablespoons of the white wine. And this, just simply add the shrimp. Don't worry, I will provide the ingredients down below in the description box. Mix this together until shrimp is well covered. Cover this with the plastic wrap. Put this in the fridge overnight or about an hour if you're in a hurry. Now we're ready to cook. Make sure you preheat the air fryer first, 370 degrees for 2 minutes. Brush the basket with any oil you prefer and just simply dump or add those vegetables into the basket. With the basket, you could actually just shake it. That's the good thing about having a basket air fryer. It's easy to navigate to it. I also add some fresh roughly chopped red onions. And just simply mix this together. And then just add the shrimp on top of the vegetable like what I'm doing right here. Make sure the shrimp have a little space to each other. Like, don't overcrowd it. This basket's a little bit crowded already. So make sure that they're a little bit distant to each other. Place this in a fryer and then cook it 370 degrees for 6 minutes and flip this halfway through. So after 3 minutes, if you have a cosori, it will actually notify you that it's time to shake it or flip it on the other side. So what I'm doing right here, I'm just going to go ahead and flip this on the other side. And then put this back in the air fryer and continue on cooking. Now after this should be done, right? But to make sure it's actually done, if you have an air fryer, make sure you invest in a temperature on a meat thermometer. This will prevent you from having food poisoning. So right here, the temperature is only 119. We're trying to make sure that our seafoods hit at least 145. So I'm giving this a little bit of mix so those vegetables at least kind of like coated with that sauce from the shrimp. And just simply pick those shrimp and put this on the top and then put this back in the air fryer. We're going to cook this on 400 degrees for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, this shrimp with vegetable is done. This is so colorful, so healthy. Shrimp has a lot of benefits, and this mix of vegetables are so good with squash, asparagus, all that good stuff. I hope you like this video. As you can see, temperature is hit 145 and above, which is great. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to our channel. Share this recipe. Come back and see us. Thank you guys for watching and supporting our channel. Until next time, enjoy. Ciao.